like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Gemma. So guys, today is my wash day. Actually, today is my treatment day. So I just took out my braids, so I've decided to give my hair a treat. I normally do treatment on my hair every 6 weeks, and I'm going to show you the product that I use when I treat my hair. But before that, I'm gonna take off this nasty braids in my hair, and I'm gonna detangle my hair, and I'm gonna show you the process. So now that my hair is nice and tangle free, I'm going to be showing you the product that I will be using. So I've got here the Jackie's Also Clean shampoo, some hair mayonnaise. I've got the Jackie's Deep Repair Conditioner. Sorry, that's my baby. I've got black Jamaican castor oil, my growth oil. I've also got vitamin E oil. So yeah guys, I'm gonna be mixing all these products together to treat my hair. So I'm not really gonna measure how much I'm putting. I'm just gonna put as much as my hair need. So yeah, just put as much as you need. So first I put in the hair mayonnaise. You can use any hair mayonnaise of your choice. And then I'm going to put the Jackie's Cocoa Repair Conditioner. And then I'm going to put the vitamin E oil in there. And then black Jamaican castor oil and also my growth oil. And then I'm going to mix it all together. And then I'm going to use that to treat my hair. So vitamin E oil actually promotes hair growth and is really good for your hair. As well as the black Jamaican castor oil. So always add that with your oils, and also obviously my growth oil is the best. So anyway, I'm gonna shampoo my hair now, and I'm just gonna show you how good this shampoo is. Like, it doesn't tangle my hair, it doesn't make my hair dry, it keeps my hair nice and soft. So yeah, now I've washed the shampoo off my hair, I'm gonna start with my treatment. But as I said before, the shampoo is so good. It doesn't tangle my hair. It doesn't make my hair dry. My hair is just super soft and really nice. How I'm going to be applying the treatment, I've divided my hair into 4, and I'm going to be applying it as if I'm relaxing my hair. So you just do it, it's the same method as relaxing your hair basically, but instead of using a relaxer, you're using a hair treatment. So yeah, just divide your hair into 4 and apply it in each section of your hair, and make sure that you put it all over your hair at the end of your hair, and then you massage it into your hair and leave it for about 20 to 25 minutes, or probably 30 minutes the most, and then you're gonna rinse it out. So after rinsing out the treatment, guys, you can see how soft and shiny my hair is. It's well moisturized and well conditioned. So now I'm going to be spraying my hair with Jackie's Hydrating Hair Milk. This is actually quite good for your hair, and it keeps my hair nice and soft. And then I'm going to go ahead and put in the Jackie's leave-in conditioner. I'm going to put as much as I want really, because I want my hair to be nice and conditioned. So after that, I'm going to be putting in my Aunt Jackie's coconut hair moisturizer. This is an intensive hair moisturizer and it's really good for my hair. I love the way it works with my hair. And yeah, so I'm going to put a generous amount of that in my hair and I'm going to massage that all through my hair. And then after that, I'm going to be putting in my growth oil. So I'm going to be putting the growth oil in my scalp, so I'll make sure that it gets everywhere in my scalp. And then after, I'll just put a little bit in my hand and then I will massage it in my hair to lock in the moisture. Guys, look at how curly my hair is. It's so nice and moisturized and it looks nice and healthy. I absolutely love my hair. I'm just gonna detangle my hair. So this is how my hair looks wet and this is how my hair looks when it's blow dried. So yeah guys, I absolutely love my hair. As you can see, my hair is nice and shiny, it's healthy, it's well moisturized, and yeah, it's not breaking at all. So if you follow this method once a month, your hair will grow like magic, I promise you. And make sure you purchase my growth oil because that will promote in hair growth also. Guys, look at that. Look at that. Look at all that hair. Oh my god. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and share with all your friends and family. Bye guys.
Bye.